Good morning. It's Easter weekend 2025. I'm in Amelia Island, in Florida. I'm out here doing trying to get a good sunrise photo. It's low tide. There's a little bit of water coming in this jetty. I'll show you. There's a pier over here, probably. Flip this around, show you what I'm looking at. Pier over here. There's the sun popping up right now. Let me go ahead and get started. I'm using my Z9 on 2470. Nikon. Here's what I'm looking at. I'm trying to get a little bit of that jetty right there coming up. I'm shooting at f8 at 1/30th of a second. I'm doing focus stacking, so I'm gonna focus several places. You can see that sun about to pop up. Here's what we're getting back on the screen. Very low to the ground, very low to the water today. So I'll post photos after a while and to this video. Let's see what we get. Let's try this again. So here's my composition. I'm just kind of trying to get that sun. It's just now popping the horizon. There's pelicans flying everywhere. It's a beautiful morning. It's Easter weekend, 2025. A little bit of wife and I took just a little bit of a vacation getaway. Beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Hey, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Once again, I'm in Amelia Island in Florida. Easter weekend. There's a couple of hundred people out here already this morning. Not a bad morning.